Mihira, I need you to be mindful of Mr. Paul's cultural beliefs regarding medication. He's expressed concerns about taking prescribed antibiotics for his urinary tract infection. He believes in using herbal remedies instead.
I understand. I'll approach him with empathy and explain the importance of antibiotics in treating bacterial infections. I'll also discuss potential complications of untreated UTIs.
That's right. Emphasize the risks of delaying treatment. Explore the possibility of combining herbal remedies with antibiotics under medical supervision. Mihira, it's essential to build trust and open communication. Hello, Mihira. I can see you're looking a little uncomfortable, and I'm sorry you're feeling some pain around your foresight. It's not at all unusual to feel this way. It's a very common side effect. The pain you're feeling is likely caused by a bit of inflammation or irritation of the vein, which can happen when the cannula, the small tube, is in place. This kind of discomfort can vary from person to person, and sometimes even small movements can make it feel worse. It's important that you let us know if the pain changes or becomes more intense so we can respond quickly. We have a few options to help you feel better. First, we can try to gently reposition the cannula if it feels like it's pulling or pressing on a sensitive spot. Sometimes a slight change can make a big difference. We could also try a cold compress on the area, as that can help reduce any swelling and numb the site to ease the discomfort. We'll also make sure we are monitoring your pain levels regularly to ensure it doesn't worsen and that you're as comfortable as possible. I want to make sure you're feeling understood and that all your questions are answered. Do you have any concerns about this or anything else that you'd like to talk about? Please feel free to let me know.